Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to make Game Pass on Roblox. To do that, open your browser and then search for Roblox. Then click for the Roblox and log in to your official account. Now, tap Create and then tap the three lines at the upper left corner and tap Dashboard. Now in here, tap the place and then tap the three lines at the upper left corner and then tap associated items. In here, tap the passes tab and tap create a pass. Enter the name, description, and upload an image for your pass. Then tap create pass. Now tap the three dots on the pass and tap open in new tab. Then tap again the three dots and tap configure. Now tap the three lines at the upper left corner and tap sales and then enable item for sale and input price in Roblox. Then tap save changes. And that's how to make Game Pass on Roblox. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.